Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introducing myself, my name is Tias Faisatunisa from the Accounting Information System Study Program. Today, I will explain the material of software and operating system and malicious program. Let's go straight to the first material, namely software and operating system. Definition of software. What is software? Software is a collection of instructions, programs, and data that tell computers how to operate. Think of software like a recipe, while hardware is the stove and pots. Without the recipe, the stove can cook anything. Examples include Microsoft Word for typing, Google Chrome for browsing, or Photoshop for editing image. Software function. Without software, hardware will not work. Here are the functions of software. First, provides the basic functions that a computer needs to operate. Second, as an identifier of a computer program. Third, as a link between some software and hardware in the computer realm. Types of software. Operating system. The operating system is known as software that is used to manage every hardware device that has been connected to the computer CPU. Application program. A piece of software has been used to accomplish certain tasks. Programming language. Programming language is the language used in making a program. Types of software based on distribution. Hardware. Hardware is software designed for the purpose of automatically distributing online advertisements to the user computer screen. Firmware. Firmware is read-only software storage type. This property cannot be changed. Malware. Malware is a type of software that is considered dangerous if misused. Freeware. This is a type of software that does not have a specific time limit. However, most of this type of software has features that are not perfect enough to use. Spyware. This is a type of software designed to spy on user activity. Software example. Microsoft Excel. This tool is often used to edit and create a document with a column view. Microsoft Office PowerPoint. This software is used to create a presentation. Microsoft Office Word, a type of software used for typing and editing a document in paper view. Definition operating system. The operating system, OS, serves as the most fundamental software that forms the foundation of all computer operation. Conceptually, the OS acts as the master conductor that orchestrates all system components. Without its presence, a computer would merely be a collection of inert hardware components incapable of performing even the most basic function. Functions of an OS. What does an OS do? First, process management, deciding which apps run and how much memory they use. Second, memory management, allocating RAM efficiently. Third, file management, organizing data storage. Fourth, device management, connecting hardware like printers. Finally, providing a user interface, either graphical like Windows or text-based like Linux terminal. Types of computer operating system. Windows and Mac OS for regular computer. Linux, often used on servers. Android and iOS for cell phones and tablets. Real-time OS, used in factory machinery or medical device. Network OS for managing servers and printers. Example of operating system. Modern operating systems come in various versions tailored for specific needs. Windows and Mac OS dominate the personal computer market, focusing on productivity and design, while Android and iOS lead the mobile device sector with their open versus closed approaches. For servers, Linux remains the top choice due to its stability, whereas Chrome OS offers lightweight cloud-based computing. Each of these operating systems is engineered to optimize the user experience for its respective platform. Relationship between software and operating system. OS as foundation platform. The operating system provides the essential environment required for application execution. Example, Adobe Photoshop requires Windows or Mac OS to operate. Hardware compatibility layer. The OS acts as an intermediary between software and physical components, ensuring proper hardware utilization. Example, a game's GPU requirements are enforced by the OS. Conclusion: an operating system is the core software that manages a computer. There are several types of OS. Windows or Mac OS for regular computers, Android or iOS for a mobile phone, Linux for servers, as well as specialist OS such as Real-Time OS for industry and Network OS for office. The choice of OS depends on your needs, ranging from Pied Windows to Free Linux with a large trend towards cloud and AI. And the next material is malicious program.
Malicious programs. Definisi malicious programs. Malware is software that infiltrates computer systems without authorization and can cause damage to operating system, servers, and computer networks. The term malware is a combination of malicious, meaning harmful or dangerous, and software. More critically, malware can still store data and sensitive information while also creating backdoor access for hackers to exploit system vulnerabilities. Types of malware. Virus. Viruses are malware that appear through download on websites, use of USB, computer documents, network connection, and so on. Virus can work when users start opening a document that has been previously infected. In addition, virus can also replicate and spread on computer systems without the user knowledge. Worm. A worm is a type of malware that has the ability to replicate itself, so it can easily spread on a computer system. This type of malware enters through the internet, illegal application, or suspicious documents sent via email. Trojan. A Trojan is malware that works by disguising itself as harmless application, convincing users to download and use the application. Once the app has been downloaded and started, the Trojan will quickly spread and see all of your computer's activity. Additionally, it will steal your personal information and data. Spyware. Spyware is malware designed to covertly monitor user activity. It infiltrates devices through browser exploits, fake apps, or email attachments. Ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts victims' files and demands payment, usually in Bitcoin, to restore access. It spreads those phishing email with infected attachment, pirated software, and patched system vulnerabilities. Impact of malware attack. Slow down computer system. When malware successfully enters the device system, the device performance slows down. It takes a long time to turn on and in use. The entire system becomes difficult to respond. Data and document damage. Another consequence of a virus spreading on a device is damage to data and documents. In some cases, the damage makes the contents of the document messy. However, malware can also make a document unreadable. Constraints on the application inside. Malware that enters a computer system often affects several applications on it. Applications on the computer become difficult to open, slow performance, and even cannot be opened at all. In fact, malware can even delete application on your computer, system unable to open. A serious impact to be aware of is the loss of access to the computer. The device can be turned on, but it cannot be used and run. This is a form of ransomware attack. How malware spreads. Malware propagates through various techniques that exploit system vulnerabilities and user behavior. The primary transmission method include phishing attacks, deceptive emails or messages containing malicious attachment or fake links disguised as legitimate documents. Pirated software. Cracked applications often bundle with hidden malware payloads. Infected USB device. Auto-run malware when removable drives are connected. Dangers of malware on the website. First, irrelevant ads. Second, website display change. Third, data theft. Effective malware prevention. Use strong antivirus like Windows Defender or Malwarebytes with real-time scanning. Update everything, OS, apps, and browser get critical security fix. Think before clicking. Verify links or attachments in emails and messages. Back up regularly. Avoid pirated software. Learn phishing tricks. Conclusion: malware, such as virus, ransomware, spyware, are digital threats that damage systems, steal data, and disrupt operations. It spreads quickly via phishing, pirate software, or security holes. Key protection, antivirus, regular updates, data backup, and watch out for suspicious links or attachments. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.